Alright, so I'm back and we're gonna shoot them. Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna use these Daisy .177 pellets, and we're gonna see how this goes. Alright, let's do this. Alright, number one. Alright, so it didn't explode like I intended it to. It just made a loud noise. So let's try that one again. This time we'll do 3 pumps. Alright, that one popped. Alright, let's try another one. That one popped. It's actually... It's actually really loud. Alright, so I'm going to try it now with these Copperhead BBs. Alright, let's see if these do any better. If you hear sirens, I didn't do it. Alright, let's see how these do. If I take it off safety. Alright, now they're blowing up. And the key is 3 pumps this time. Wow, it actually works with 3. Woo, ricochet, that hurt. Alright, I recommend not doing this because it's really loud. You might get the cops called on you, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Alright, I'm gonna do one more, then I'm gonna run inside in case the police show up. I missed. What a loser I am. I missed. Alright, just for the fun of it, I'm going to do it again. Because I didn't blow up one of them. Alright, so that's that. Thanks for watching, and like the video, comment, and subscribe.